Good evening, friends. Tonight I will be taking you through a 15-minute evening flow. So, this sequence is great to do before bed if you're trying to wind down and relax a little bit. So, we'll go ahead and get started lying on our back. You can also do this flow right in bed. Feel free to set up there instead of your mat, and then you can fall right asleep afterwards. So, we'll start in our Shavasana. Legs long, palms by your side, facing the ceiling. And we'll take a moment to bring down the mind, put the thoughts to the side for tonight as we're heading to bed. No need to think about the to-do list or what's coming tomorrow. Right now, we just focus on the present, focus on our breath. You feel the stomach fall as we exhale. We'll take 2 more breaths here, drawing in through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And one more just like that. Deep breath in through the nose. And exhale, let it go through the mouth. We'll go ahead and using our next inhale, we'll hug the right knee in towards the chest. Exhale, pull the knee in closer. Push the left foot away. See if you can flex the toes back towards you. And we'll take another breath in here. Exhale, give the right leg one more hug. Pulling it in a bit closer to the chest if you can. Should feel this through the back of the right leg, through our right hamstring. And from here, we'll take our right leg into a spinal twist. So we'll try and roll all the way over onto our left side body. So your lower back will be lifted off the floor or your bed. And then we'll open up with our right arm. See if you can let it fall to the right side. You can let the head fall to the right side as well. If the right knee doesn't totally make contact, that's okay as long as it's going in that direction. This stretch really is just like wringing the body out like a towel. Two more breaths here. Just let the position do the work. All you need to do is focus on your breathing. Last one here. Exhale, let it go. And we'll roll back to center. Let the right leg come all the way down. And we'll switch sides. So, using our next breath in, we clasp our hands over the left shin. Exhale, pull the left knee into the chest. Give that leg a nice big hug. See if you can keep elbows tight to the body, shoulders away from the ears. And another exhale, we hug the knee in a bit more. Keep pushing the right foot away. And we come into our spinal twist on the opposite side. So we roll onto our right side body this time. Again, we bring the left knee towards the floor. If it doesn't totally touch, that's okay. You can windmill the left arm around as we open up to the left side. Let the head fall to the left. Keep the belly button drawn in just a little bit here. We send our breath to the left side of the body. Such a great stretch for the entire body here. And we get ready to come back through to center. We'll place our left foot on the floor. And when you're ready, we'll cross our right leg over the left knee or just above the left knee, crossing the ankle over the thigh as we move into our reclined pigeon. So you're welcome to stay here if that feels best for you. You can have a gentle press on the right leg. Or when you're ready, we'll pick up the left leg, either grabbing behind the thigh or over the shin. Use the next exhale to hug the leg in a little bit closer. You're welcome to use one hand on the right knee if you want to push the leg away a little bit, maybe deepen the stretch. Whatever feels good for you here, that's what matters the most, especially when we're getting ready to go to sleep. Want to go to sleep with the body feeling good. No need to press or add any more tension than there already is. Beautiful. Let's place the left foot down. We'll uncross the right leg. Let the knees fall from side to side about 4 or 5 times. See how each side feels. Maybe the right side already feels a bit looser than the left. Take our reclined pigeon on the left side and do a few more of these. Hopefully they feel a bit more symmetrical. So let's take one more each side here, just letting the legs move freely. And let's meet back at center. We'll cross the left ankle over the right thigh this time. Again, you're welcome to stay here, or we'll pick the right leg up, pass behind the thigh or over the shin. And we take 4 to 5 deep breaths here. As you exhale, see if you can give the leg a bit tighter of a hug. If you've found a place that feels good for you and you're embracing the stretch through the left hip, and just stay where you are. Focus on the breathing. Two more breaths here. And let's place the right foot down. If you have the leg lifted, uncross the left leg. We'll take both of our feet up for happy baby. So if you're able to, we can grab just outside the feet, pulling our knees and bent legs down as we push our tailbone towards the ground or bed. If this is a bit too much for you right now, you can grab just above the ankles, pull down, and still keep the feet flexed towards the ceiling so we get a calf stretch here. So please find a spot that feels best for you. And we'll go ahead and take 4 to 5 deep breaths in our happy baby. Maybe rock a little from side to side, massage the lower back. Or if you'd like to stay in stillness, you can think about really pushing our tailbone down to the mat. That'll deepen the stretch for the low back. Two more breaths here as we allow ourselves to decompress. Unclench the jaw, relax the mouth, relax the teeth. And place the feet back down. We'll do our windshield wipers again. So we'll rock the knees back and forth from side to side 4 or 5 times. Again, just allow the legs to move freely. Hopefully you feel a bit more open on both sides now. And let's meet back at center, feet planted, hip width apart. We'll get ready to take our bridge. So you can still try this in bed. Just try to keep the feet as flat as you can. When you're ready, we'll take a deep inhale. Draw the belly button down and in. See if you can curl the tailbone up towards the ceiling, engaging the glutes. Keep pushing the hips up even when you feel like you've reached the limit. Give them one more little push. 2 more breaths here. If you'd like, you can clasp the hands under the glutes, come onto the shoulders, pull the hands down towards the heels. And unclasp the hands if you had them together. Roll the spine down 1 vertebrae at a time until our hips reach the mat. Let's bring the bottoms of our feet together for recline butterfly. Let the knees fall to the sides. If you'd like to place a pillow or a block under each knee, you're welcome to do that also. Just take a moment to appreciate yourself for taking the time to wind down. Relax the body, relax the mind before we rest. As we get ready for another day, we can always slow down on our mat. Should be feeling this through the inner thighs and the groin. If you're feeling the lower back or like it's a bit too intense, you can just move the feet a little bit further away. Let's go ahead and release the legs long. Keep the palms face the ceiling again. We meet back in our Shavasana, same pose as where we started. Take a moment to relax the eyes, unclench the jaw, bring the tongue down from the roof of the mouth. We send a relaxing energy throughout the rest of the body as we get ready for a night of sleep, a night of rest, and wake up fresh and ready for a new day. Okay, friends, thank you so much for joining me this evening. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your night, and I will see you in the next one. Namaste.